Reece, happy with what you saw from your team today?
Not really, no, if I'm honest. I thought, we controlled the game really well first half and probably should have scored a couple more. And disappointed probably not to be more up. And then second half, whilst we still were relatively comfortable, there were a couple of moments where they could have scored and probably deserved to score. So it's a banana skin playing Llanelli for anyone at the moment because they're a decent side, they're working really hard and they will win sooner or later. So I'm glad to navigate the game, but I would have liked to have been a bit more comfortable.
Lee, 2 goals of difference today, both from set pieces. Obviously, that's something that we've raised after the Canlyniad game. It's once again killed you.
Yeah, absolutely. It's our nemesis at the moment. We are working as hard as we can to put it right. But I suppose when you're dealing with multiple balls in the box and the way they attack the ball and the quality of the delivery as well, it's really difficult. But we're trying our best.
Mael, gol agoriadol I ti, ond yn edrych o bryd I gael gweithio arno ar y maes ymarfer. Weithio dde union fel oedd e fod?
Do, I gweud y gwir. Gweithio ni arno hwnna nos ioe yn training. So yeah, wastad neis I cael gol a enwedig am sy'n mynd dod off y cam arfer, mae fe'n neis iawn.
6 pwynt o'r penwythnos, mae'n bod chi'n eitha hapus nawr fel o ran hyder.
O ran hyder, ie, definite, chymod Barry, y ffordd wnaethon ni ennill hwnna, oedd e'n gret. Eitha siomedig ar perfformiad heddi, fi'n credu gallwn ni wedi sgorio lot mwy, ond ar diwedd y dydd mae fe'n 3 pwynt a ni'n edrych mlaen I dysadwn nawr.
In terms of the season, how crucial is it now that you bounce back before 2 big games against Bala and Flint? How key is that going to be for this season?
Oh, it's massive. Next week's a cup final. Simple as that, and I'm sure Bala are thinking the same thing. We know there's 3 leagues in this league. There's the top, middle and bottom. We know where we are and what we need to do. So hopefully next week the boys are going to be right up for the challenge, and 3 points to stay beneath is a must.